To open a voice room in the HelloTalk app, start by logging in with either a Google account or another account. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom right corner of the app, where you will find the voice room option, and click on it. This will give you access to a list of available voice rooms to join. If you want to create your own voice room, click on the blue blinking microphone icon at the top right corner. Then press Agree. You will be prompted to submit an application to become a host, which involves selecting an application category, such as language learning, teaching, or entertaining and socializing, and writing a self-introduction. After submitting your application, it will be reviewed, usually within a few days. And if approved, you will be able to create your own voice rooms and become a host, allowing you to engage with others in a room that you moderate.